When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view.
Trying out a scrog with my tomatoes. Sea of green. So I cut 6 openings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 openings to let them all through. They're sort of coming through themselves, but anyway, I've got 2 on the outside, so I can do a little bit of work around the bottom there. Not really interested in any of the fruit on the bottom at all. Just once these tomatoes come up, there is stacks already up here started. So we've got truss, there's some cherries up the back there, some beef, which I believe these are the beef here, is coming through, and eggs. Yeah, look, there's a couple of eggs down the bottom here. Where are we? Yeah, up in there. Colorama egg tomatoes coming through. But the idea is to let a lot of fresh air in here, and slowly but surely we're going to fill this up, whoop, bit by bit, so it's probably level with that rail across the back there, and that way the mesh still lets a lot of air in there, and I end up with a whole heap of fruit at kitchen bench height.
It was about Christmas time. I started the compost with the soil, and on 3rd of January that I put these tomato seedlings in. About 4.5 inches tall. Now look at them.
Righty. I'm going to make a peg on it. Looking good. Alrighty, it's quite simple. Take yourself a little peg, grab a little leaf. This one's already got one on it, so I'll redirect it. Pick it up, lean him over. This big chunky guy here, I'll show you. Alright, so then you got this one, which has got 2 little heads, and if you can see it between here, it's got 2 heads, same thing. So you pull it over, bit by bit. I'll clamp it down here. You can go now that way. A few more to do over here. Let's have a look.
About 2 months ago, I re-topped the bottom with compost. I took the kids out to make sure that they got to know what was going on. And yeah, stimulated the roots, gave them a bit of an aeration there with the prodding, and then the kids topped it up. Got to make sure that you secure your tomatoes. Very secure, because if you do not have them secure, a little snap and you'll get a bit of rotten section in your branch and you might as well cut it off. Hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit more light aeration, good water, and great plants. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.